another Too Many Freaking Crafts. I'm your host, Random Ruth. I'm here with
Lucy Unicorn Cupcake.
She's Lucy Unicorn Cupcake. Because of her shirt. Lucy Unicorn Cupcake. And then we have Crockadylan and
Leo's a lion.
Leo's a lion. Alright guys, so we are continuing work on our Rainbow Brite, custom Rainbow Brite Funko Pop figures. We have to continue work on Murky. We're gonna finish painting Lurky.
Can I paint Lurky?
Yeah. And then we got to do some more work on Brian.
I'll do more work on his shoes. His was not wet enough.
Not red enough, you're right. That's just one coat. We need more coats. Alright, and so that's what we're gonna do. Alright, let's get to work. But you know something about Lurky, interesting? He's got like an arrow, it's like an exclamation mark on the bottom of his shoes, only it's got an arrow on the tip. Okay. Oh no.
Oh no! I don't paint my pants!
It's okay.
Oh, look at that. She's got paint on her overalls.
I just did another coat on it. It looks much more red.
Yes, much.
I have painted his pants, and I'm starting to work on his
Painting the
gloves.
roses red. Painting the roses red.
Yeah.
Oh, pardon me, oh Mr. 3, why must you paint them red?
Because we planted them white roses by mistake.
Oh, and if you don't fix them to red, the green will be red.
Off for the heads!
Let it dry. You can go do something else and come back.
Okie dokie. Bye bye. I'm a soup. I am now soup.
You're not soup.
I'm bowl of soup.
You can do his fingers.
Bingo nails. Bingo pop.
She's very silly. Yes, she's a very silly person.
Okay.
Here comes Bobo. Bobo, what do you tell us? What is tomorrow?
My brother's birthday.
Happy birthday.
It's First, by the time this comes out, his birthday will already happen. But still. How old are you gonna be? He's gonna be 11.
Oh yeah, that's what that looks like.
Not east side, 11.
That's what that looks like, Mom.
Alright, now I've got more clay. I can continue Murky's helmet. So we're going to continue making that helmet, and then we're going to make his little head flap. So we won't be seeing any hair.
Oh, is my hair out?
Hey, that's my seat! Correction, was your seat.
Not weird. His eyes are weird. I want this. His eyes to some white because he was very creepy.
Well, I think we're just going to leave his eyes white.
What?
I don't think we're going to add any black to him.
I want to add black to him.
Yeah, but I don't.
We need to add black to him. Add to his eyes. He was so creepy looking. What? What at him? Look at him.
You look at it!
Hello.
You look at it!
Hi.
Look at it!
The top of his helmet pretty good. We just gotta let it dry now, and then then we can make the little ball that's gonna go on the tip of it. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna need.
And I'm back.
He's back.
Welcome back, everyone. I believe you and Dio. I think that 10 is the number 10, okay? Okay?
Huh?
I just made a new pink! Oh, you did a new pink, Mommy? I got a new pink.
Yeah, she's making her own pink.
Oh, good. Does that look like Murky?
No.
Murky's helmet? I think it's pretty good. We gotta let it dry and then we can do more with that. Okay. I'm gonna make these little lightning bolts to go on the side of his helmet. I'm gonna do that real quick.
Alright.
Okay. Just like a little lightning bolt kind of a thing. That's gonna go on the side of his head over here, side of his helmet. But it's gonna end up going on top of this little flap that goes on his hair, on his helmet too. So we're gonna leave it on the side. And that'll be his other little lightning bolt thingy. We're gonna be making the flap on the back of his, that hangs on the back of his helmet. So this is gonna be for the back, the little flap on the back of his head. And you're gonna stretch it out. Okay, so maybe what you need to do is just kind of build it on his head. Okay, now what do we think? Those little face flaps, this little hair flap, whatever. It's starting to look a little more like Murky. Yeah, I think we might be able to get the mustache and his eyebrows on. This big, huge, bushy unibrow dog. His big eyebrows going on. They go over top of his helmet. What do you think?
Whoa, sick unibrow, bro.
Alright, now we need the big old nose. What do we think? Okay, so what I'm going to do now is give Murky some big old boots, because boots are all the rave in Rainbow Land, I don't know if you noticed the other colored kids in Rainbow Brite, they all have big old boots. I think Lurky is the only one that has like regular tennis shoes. There you go, guys. There's Murky's new boots. Okay, alright. Now he's got his little trim all around his stomach. And that's the rest of my clip, so. And there you go, guys. That's my Murky so far. And that's all of our clip. Woohoo! Well, that's all for today. Thanks, guys, for watching. And we'll see you again next time. Another Too Many Freaking Crafts.